Good afternoon, dear student. Now today we are going to start a new chapter, that is life in the temperate grassland. Earlier, dear student, we have discussed how to the one chapter interlink with the other chapter. We have discussed chapter 6, natural vegetation, and how to the natural vegetations are classified into different categories like a forest, second one is the grassland, third one is the thorny bushes, which area receive the less rainfall. Such type of vegetations are found. Tropical forest, temperate grassland we have discussed earlier in chapter 6. We have discussed about the thorny bushes inside the desert part. These are found. Mostly forests are found in the tropical area. Grassland are found mostly in temperate area. And third, thorny bushes or shrubs are found in desert area. Now, chapter 7, we have discussed about related to transport and communication. And chapter 8, completely based on the tropical. So, in this, we have discussed in chapter 8 about the how to interlink with the natural vegetations. We have discussed in chapter 8 about the tropical forest, tropical and subtropical forest. So in this we have seen the life of Amazon basin and Ganga and Brahmaputra rivers, and these are the forest category. Dense forest are located in that area, and sunlight can't reach till the ground level. That area receive the humid climate, heavy rainfall, and their life are based on their activities. Their life are based mostly related to the forest, and they year by year that area has developed or first highway construct in 1970 in Amazon basin. Do you know in chapter 8 we have discussed about the tropical means evergreen forest. Now in chapter 9 we will discuss about the grassland. Chapter 9 is based on the grassland, temperate grassland we will discuss in. So earlier we were discussing chapter 8 about the Amazon basin and Ganga Brahmaputra. In this we will discuss about the prairies which located in America. Another one we will discuss about the wild grassland which is located in Africa continent. So now here we have discussed how to this chapter are interlinked with the other chapter. So tropical we have discussed. So chapter 8 is tropical base. We have discussed the Amazon basin and Ganga. Now chapter 9 is the temperate grassland. So where is the temperate grassland found? 40 to 60 latitude, high latitude, temperate grassland are found. So in this chapter, we'll compare the two places. We'll discuss about the two only. One is the prairies, which located in Northern America. Another one is the wild grassland, which is located in Africa continent and in South Africa. Okay. So we'll discuss about the prairies, what type of climatic conditions are found in that area, what type of natural vegetations and wildlife found in that area. We'll discuss in this chapter. We'll discuss occupations of the occupational structures of the people of the prairies. Okay. And as it will discuss about the wild grassland, and in wild grassland, what type of climatic conditions are found in the wild grassland? What type of natural vegetations and wildlife found in that area? We'll discuss about the how to the people are engaged in the diamond mining, dairy production, and what type of clothes they wear to protect from the hot wind. They also wear the heavy ropes clothes like this. So in this chapter we'll discuss. So chapter 2 is based on the grassland. Chapter 9, sorry, chapter 9 is the base of the grassland. Edges, chapter 10 will study that is based on the desert. Means the life in the desert. So how to natural vegetation there chapter we were studying chapter 6, how to it interlink with the chapter 8, 9, 10. So chapter 8 we will discuss related to forest. Chapter 9 will discuss related to grassland, and chapter 10 will discuss related to desert. So three types of different vegetation, three types of different natural vegetation. We'll discuss in detail what type of wildlife in that area, what type of climatic condition found in that area, different people are engaged in which activity in that area. Okay. So in this chapter, what we'll discuss? First, we'll discuss about the prairies. Where is the prairies located? It located in Northern America. It extends between the America and Canada. What are the different countries? We'll discuss in this. You know, prairies also known as the granaries of the world. Grain means wheat production. Grain. G-R-A-I. So you know, prairies is also known as the granaries of the world. Granaries means the prairies grassland is the world largest production of wheat crop in USA and some part of Canada. So you know how the different people shift in that area, how to they move the westward. Or in class 9th you will study about the dust bowl. How to this prairies has changed into the dust bowl. You know different technology, different fertilizers, pesticide used by the farmers, or day by day top part of soil removed by the due to the such cultivation, due to the high tech cultivational. So what happens in that area, mostly they disturb by that area is disturbed by the cyclones. So through the cyclone, through the Azores, that area has changed into the dust bowl. So that was the entire interesting story, but not given in class 6 7. It given in class 9th in history book. Okay, क्या that area change into the dust bowl? कैसे एक बड़ा एरिया जो पूरा फेमस था बीट प्रोडक्शन के लिए, कैसे एक डस्ट बोल में चेंज हो गया है, कैसे एक लेयर्स आ गई सोइल इसकी डस्ट की. So many times you have seen our desert area during the summer season in Rajasthan also, कैसे dust की लेयर हो जाती है during the hot season. So such type of happens inside the prairies. So in this chapter we will discuss about the prairies, which countries are located in prairies. We will discuss the climatic condition of prairies, cold climatic condition. In this chapter we will discuss there about the Chinook, that is the hot wind which flow in the prairies grassland, that is the hot wind. And on the basis of that Chinook hot wind we have purchased the helicopter from the America, that name also Chinook. Okay, उसका नेम भी चिनूक उसी बेस पे रखा है. On the basis of hot wind, the word prairies originated from the Latin word that is the rata, which is means the meadow. Okay, so in this we will discuss about the grassland. We will discuss about the red Indians, which are the habitats of their northern India. Habitats of their areas in that known by the red Indians. They are tribal. We'll discuss. Chinook is the hot wind in that area that blow. We'll discuss about in this what the cowboy. We'll discuss about the bisons, which are the. We'll discuss about the latest technology which used for the agriculture. How to they are using the tractors, machine, threshers. They are using the combine machines, high yielding variety seeds, fertilizers, pesticide. In detail, we'll discuss. These are the input which use in agriculture. These are the input which is used in agriculture. Input होता है बेटा जो इन्वेस्ट किया जाता है, and output is the crop. किसी भी एरिया से जो बाहर निकल के आएगी, that is the crop. Out pattern is the output is the crop. So how do the different farmers invest in that area? We'll discuss in this chapter. Now we'll discuss about the wild grassland. अब dear, wild grassland is located in the Africa and South Africa country where the wild grassland located. And South Africa is famous for the gold city, diamond city. Johannesburg is known as the gold city of the world, and Kimberley is famous for the diamond production. Deepest mines also located in the South Africa continent that has the hot climatic condition. Most of people are engaged in the dairy production. How to that area change into the urbanizations. Many multi-story buildings we can see in that area like this. And mostly mining is the main occupation in this area. So in this detail, in this form, we'll discuss about the wild grassland. We'll discuss about the prairies grassland in this chapter. So this is the introduction of this chapter. We'll discuss two grassland in this chapter, that is prairies and that is wild.